Let's talk about your forecast, as that is the big talker today. You're probably wondering, what is it going to be like in your area? And I have to say, it depends on where you live. You may see something a little different, and temperatures are huge in this.
Yeah, we're talking about freezing rain, and we're talking about wind. In fact, we saw it before. Krista Rose's umbrella live on TV blew right out the other way.
Yeah, I mean, we haven't even really been touching on the wind speeds that we're expecting. Some places over into the Laurel Highlands, you're expecting winds at around 40 miles an hour, especially picking up this afternoon once the rain gets out of here. But it's already gusty out there to the 50-mile-an-hour winds, and that is pushing our wind chills way down this morning. Now, the big story, obviously, it's going to be not just the rain. It's raining everywhere, but it's where we're also dealing with those temperatures at or just below 32 degrees. I'm going to overlay now where the rain is with those temperatures where we're seeing that. We'll take you up north of Allegheny County. You can still see parts of Westmoreland County. There's Indiana County, and we'll touch in the Laurel Highlands. Just believe that the Laurel Highlands are colder than these temperatures that I'm showing you right here. Hey, it's 32 in Kern City, Katanning at 33. So you can see these communities basically from Butler to the north and to the east are all hovering around 32 degrees. As it is raining, and that means, and remember, these are just points, so there are places in between where we could be looking at temperatures not just where they are here, but even colder than this. So we do have the possibility, the potential out there for some icing on both roads and on power lines. That could cause some issues later on today, especially with how strong the winds are expected to be. So the big concern obviously is with ice out there on those roads. Make sure, just kind of check ahead. I don't want you to head out maybe to a doctor's appointment or something like that, only to find that your appointment has been delayed because of the weather today. There's a number of delays. We have the school delays out there, but we can't give all of those delays. So there's other impacts that's going to be going on in Butler, Armstrong, Indiana County, where they have that ice storm warning and the winter weather advisories that are going on. That goes all the way, the winter weather advisory goes all the way up until 7 o'clock. The ice storm warning goes through 10 o'clock tonight. It's all because of this big system right on top of us at this point. It's an occluded front. I know we don't normally use the purple color very often. Generally, when you have an upper low, you'll always have an occluded front, and that just means that the cold front has actually caught the warm front. So they're basically stacked on top of each other. The upper profile is always interesting when you get that occluded front. For us, it's still a boundary that's causing rain showers, and that's what we're dealing with right now. Temperatures are going to hover around 32 degrees in those communities that I showed you that are already lit up. Dangerous travel, power outages certainly possible there. So if you're up in the Butler area, you're going to be looking at your temperature near 32 through about 10 o'clock this morning. If you're over into the Laurel Highlands, Indiana County, where that ice storm warning is, you're going to have to wait until this afternoon before your temperatures go really above 32. We'll be looking at snow chances also sticking around both Friday, Saturday, and on Sunday. Hey, here's your 7-day. First alert weather day today because of the freezing rain. 38 your Friday high. We could have some squalls around on Friday. Very isolated issues with roads. 33 your Saturday high and a Sunday high of 30.